what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. So by all this setup and my get up, you know that it's Diwali, and I know I'm very delayed this time because I was too busy with the Diwali content and so many campaigns going on in Instagram, and so many makeup and so many glamorous content is up there in my blog. If you're not following me in Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, and my username is Ashita Agarwal Official. So by this get up, you know guys, I'm here to do something about Diwali. So don't worry you guys, I got you covered babies because I'm here with something amazing. So I created this beautiful Diwali look. So I'm gonna just quickly do a video and I'll show you what I did for Instagram. I'll put the videos over here. Please sorry for that because it's in vertical section. So if you are new here, take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I created this fun Diwali party look that everyone enjoys. So I like fashion with comfort, and you guys know my main area to thrive, you guys know, that is aesthetic vintage vibes. So I always try to combine all of these: comfort, fashion, aesthetic, vintage vibe in one. So I am going to show you some palazzo and 4 ways to style it, because this is one of my favorite outfits. I got this stitched last year during my cousin's wedding, and I designed this dress by myself. I'm not a fashion designer, guys. I don't stitch anything. I just give it to the tailor. That was complete my idea. I designed the outfit, that's it. So you will see what I have paired and how I have styled this for the Diwali party. So keep on watching. My first video is Diwali party outed. The second styling video is all about Diwali, and your girl is going all ethnic this time, all traditional, go heavy, go traditional. So I took out a lot of time to create this video, and one Diwali party video separately and one Diwali part 2 main Diwali outfit video. Took me each video at least 4 hours to set up, to reset up, to changing, to planning, to makeup and styling and everything. This a lot of blood goes behind the scenes. So guys, do like, subscribe, share and comment. If you try this, do tag me. If you try any of my looks, do tag me. So a lot of hard. Please watch till the end and let me know what you like the most. So keep watching. Outfit is all about going all heavy. I have this one black beautiful skirt since long. I bought it for I think Navratri last year, and it is all chic golden and I just love it. So I thought, why not style it? As you guys know, if you see my Instagram feed, you will see black and white is my favorite color, my go-to color. I can pair anything and everything with black. To help you guys with whatever you have, this last minute Diwali outfit, Diwali party outfit, you guys in all areas. So this, I'm putting both the videos. Please don't mind, it is in the vertical section. I did a lot of hard work It took me actually 4 hours to just shoot the video, and then 3 to 4 hours separately in song selection, editing, caption, hashtags, and so many things. Just editing itself takes 3 to 4 hours. So this second outfit is all about going chic, heavy, and very traditional and ethnic. So I am wearing everything heavy, and also I raided my mom's closet and got some few beautiful dupatta, like Banarsi dupatta and some mirror work dupattas, and also pairing this all with jutis. And I got these some of the accessories from my mom's closet. I don't go very traditional. I don't have many traditional or ethnic jewelries. So I did in my mom's closet, and you can do that too. So whatever you have, if you haven't got any time to go out and shop for Diwali, don't worry guys, just look out in your wardrobe or in your mom's wardrobe, or anything from your Navratri collection or any from your old lehenga collection. Just pick out some blouses, some plazo or lehenga, and pair it all and fusion it with where I thrive, you know guys, fusion and aesthetic, everything at one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. So this was last minute and all fusion wear that all you have at your wardrobe. You don't have to do much about it, and you can get everything at your home. You don't have to spend a lot of money, go out for shopping in this virus time and so much crowded areas. You just have to sit and pick out what can mix and match. If you like my videos, it will really mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends, family. It will be helpful for them also. So if you try any of my looks and if you like it, use my hashtag styling with Ashita. Don't forget to tag me also. And very important thing that I cannot forget to, happy Diwali to you and your family. I hope this Diwali brings us all very joyous and positive and so many good things in our life, and changes all this negativity going around this world. I just hope everything goes well, and safe Diwali to everyone, and so many good foods, clean up, dress up well, and avoid crackers. That will save us, environment and animals. Just a small message. I love you guys so much. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you all.